All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And guess what? The Reggae Girlz are through to their consecutive World Cup campaign. Can you imagine back-to-back World Cup campaign while the Reggae Boyz can't even see one? Anyway, thank you very much again for joining people. I want you guys smash the like button. No, you know what? Touch the like if you want to. That's your business. That's your business. I won't even tell anyone to hit the like button today because we just qualified for the World Cup. I do believe that some people can take the time out to hit the like button. It's not that difficult. Anyways, so let's address this first. All the persons who were carrying 80 to defeat Jamaican, all the Jamaicans who were carrying 80, who speaking about probability that 80 will win, the 55% chance of 80 winning. Let me tell you something, people. You have many people out there, yeah, pretending to be Jamaicans when they're carrying other places. They carry everywhere else other than Jamaica. People, let me tell you the truth. There are people out there who want to see Jamaica fail. There are people out there who want to see Jamaica fail. And guess what? When someone like me who's so optimistic, always hoping for the best, always trying to put the best foot forward, despite all odds, when everything is against Jamaica, we still try to be upbeat. We still try our best to lift the spirit of people who are down. Because, you see, people out there who drive and strive off negativity. They get that energy, they get that buzz of negativity. I don't. Yeah? So everyone who's supporting the 80 team to win and for the Reggae Girlz to not see any World Cup, this is for you guys. Let me see if I can find it.
Emotional.
So if you are supporting 80 and you're Jamaican,
emotional.
If you really wanted 80 to win and you're a Jamaican,
emotional.
If you're speaking about 8, the probability of 80 to win is high, vastly greater than that of Jamaica.
Emotional.
Let me tell you something about football, yeah? Football is played on the pitch, not off the pitch. Many times off the pitch issues affect football. But if you're not smart and you don't know football, you have to look at the context. Yes, obviously, 80 put on a good showing against Mexico, in which we didn't put on such a good showing. But guess what? In context, if we had scored our goals, we would have decimated Mexico easily. But we didn't. But when I said in one previous video that Jamaica team is vastly and way more clinical than the 80 team, people said, hey, military, you're delusional, you're biased. That is the word they keep on using. That military is delusional, military is biased. But guess what? Guess who's in the World Cup? The team that is more clinical. When they met up with the Jamaican team, we would... Yes, in the earlier session, they had a shot that hit the bar. Listen, we meet two teams that play together. Let's look at football now. Let's look at the football aspect. Let's take away the emotions. These are two teams that play transition football. It will be, the battle will be won in the midfield. The 80 have won one solid midfield, and that's the number 6. Very good. Very, very good. But guess what? At the end of the day, we clog the midfield. We minimize their ability to transition through the Central Park. Yes, they caught us 1 and 2 times because that is football. But how many times did we cut them off? That is football. The ball is round on the pitch. Look at this right now. We have 6 points. We completed the zone with 6 points. One of the toughest zones. We completed the group of death with 6 points. No one had us coming out of that group. No one. Possibly just a few delusional, maybe the delusional fans like myself. So hats off to the delusional fans. No, as a military person, I salute you. All the delusional fans, I salute you. Who had the hope, who had the desire, who had the belief that Jamaica can make it. Despite all odds, despite all the people who are saying that they have to be analytic, they have to be critical. Even on match day, people are being critical. Come on. Don't forget that you're a supporter. Do not forget you're a supporter. So let's run through people who make it to the World Cup, people. Oh God, man, we make it to the World Cup. Jano, sir, We make it to the World Cup. But you have to beat some people, man. So, you see me? Some people just negative. Even when Jamaica make it to the World Cup, you know, and they're negative. You can imagine people, if you make it to the World Cup and you look displeased. Or if you be displeased when you make it to the World Cup. You know how much we tried 4 times this year and nothing work out. We tried 4 times and nothing work out. So let's say we can run this. Look what's my line. So that is the first goal from Trudy Carter. Turn the music a bit. First goal from Trudy Carter. Lovely pass, lovely back pass from Khadija Shaw. Yeah, this now is Khadija Shaw goal. So that's 2 goals. That's 2 goal contribution for Khadija Shaw. So most of I think Khadija Shaw will get the goal. The woman of the player of the match. Anyway, this year is the penalty scored by Khadija Shaw. So that's 3 goal contribution so far. 3 goal contribution so far, and we are 3-0 up. So that looks good. So this is one that she didn't really have much to do with this one. Nevertheless, proper finish from Drew Spence. Proper finish from Drew Spence. So that is good to see. Really good to see people. We look good. That is football, yeah? That is football, yeah? That is football. That is all the sport is. That is all the sport is. So, as I said, people, be positive. Sometimes stay away from the negativity. Be positive, people. Positive energy. Let me tell you something. You see, when you're positive in life, positive things happen to you. The world is not candy. We all know that. But when you get up every day, you're angry, you're upset, you're negative, you're just fostering that whole bunch of negative energy around you. People, relax. Enjoy life. Have hope. Have aspiration. Think big. Come on. Anyways, people, happy to be in World Cup back to back. Really good feeling. We have a lot of content to cover. Hey, people, we have a lot of content. Imagine when I World Cup, I can't tell you. Do you know? Jamaica versus a big team. Hey, we could enjoy it right now, people. Let us enjoy it, yeah? Let us enjoy it. Let's not use this negativity and beat down on what we just achieved. Let's enjoy it, people. Please, I'm begging you. Let us enjoy it. I'm begging you. Let us enjoy it. Let us enjoy it, people. We can't do so good. People, they could enjoy it, man. They could enjoy it, man. But me not drink still, but have a drink, man, you know? Cheers to everybody who watch the video to the end. Big up, massive respect, yeah? Check out the thing. We'll see you again. Oh, for all those who not support Haiti, who beat Jamaica.
Emotional.
You can't be Jamaicans, man. You'll say a Jamaica, you can't be Jamaicans.